If the battery on your Google Pixel 10a is stuck at 80% all the time while charging, in order to solve this issue, you just have to open Settings on your phone, scroll down in here and search for Battery, and then once you open Battery Settings, you can find the battery health. In here, you can tap on the Charging Optimization, and most likely you have this option selected, Limit to 80%. So if you want to make sure that your phone can charge to anything above 80%, you can, for example, switch to adaptive charging instead. However, keep in mind that adaptive charging can also limit the battery to 80%. We can read over here at the bottom that adaptive charging learns your charging routine and pauses at 80% and finishes to 100% an hour before you usually unplug. Of course, the feature might need some time to figure out your charging pattern and stuff like that. So in some cases, it might actually be stuck at 80% when you need to unplug the power adapter. If you are annoyed by this feature, you can turn off charging optimization completely. However, of course, it is still recommended to use this option to keep the battery in a healthy state for as long as possible. Leave a like and subscribe.